All right, so Doodly is running another special offer, um, and I'll tell you what the offer is. On top of that offer, you're also getting another 10% off. So they're asking you to enter an email address to give you the coupon code for 10% off. You don't have to do that. The coupon is 10 off Doodly, so that's the coupon code. So you can use that. So basically, the offer is get to D for a one-time price today for 67. That's one time. That's not even monthly. I don't understand the whole concept, but if you go to actual Doodly, yeah, and let's say if you go to that's the Doodly pricing. If you go to Doodly and you see this standard price and you see this enterprise price, that's $20 per month and $40 per month. Yeah, you look at this doodly.com/special one-time price fb.php. So this is a special page where you cannot access it from the doodly.com website. So if you go to doodly.com website, this is what you see. You don't see that special offer mentioned anywhere. Probably I'm thinking this is coming from Facebook advertisements. It says FB at the end, so probably it's a Facebook advertisement, and when you click on that, it takes you to this link, and you will be able to purchase this at a special price. So you don't see that particular offer anywhere here, and if you click on Get Doodly here, it takes you to the pricing page, and then you have a standard and you have enterprise $69 per month. So if you want to access that page, the special page, you have to go to this particular website. It says special one-time price FB. So, and on top of that, if you want 10% off, you can use this coupon code. Right, I'm going to purchase this today to see how it is. But that's it. So get Doodly for a one-time price. So what you actually get is, if you compare this piece here, the standard, which is 39 per month, this is what you're getting as a one-time fee of 67. Yeah, so if you do annually here, it changes to $20 per month, and monthly it's 39 per month. Whereas this offer here, it's giving you for 67 the whole standard version. Okay, and when you click on the buy button, it takes you to this page, and you also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the software, you'll get the money back. So I'm going to purchase this today. So once you make the purchase, this is very similar to Doodlemaker. They're giving you a special offer, get way more flexibility with 4516 extra Doodly images, so you can create the most professional, highest converting videos. And there is a sales pitch. For a small one-time fee of just 97, get a lifetime enterprise Doodly membership. That's instantly add 4-5 extra characters and props to your Doodly library, as well as 20 additional video templates, 10 more music tracks, premium tech support, commercial to sell your Doodly videos with tons of flexibility and creative control. A Doodly enterprise membership upgrade makes it easy to create more interesting, more effective videos. Okay, so I'm not going to do this because I believe even if you want to do it later, they will be giving me the same option. Click here, will charge your card. Okay, don't want to watch the videos, rather scroll and read below. Okay, just want to thank you for getting a copy of Doodly. But before you download Doodly, I've got an amazing offer for you that's going to help you create better whiteboard videos. Give me 2 minutes of your time. Now, as options, Doodly, it's a lot of customers have told me that they would love to whiteboard Doodle images, so they've done some flexibilities. So all this is basically a sales pitch. They are asking you to upgrade to the enterprise version for a additional $97. So I'm not sure if I really need that. Plus full commercial rights, thousands of new ways to customize your videos. So I don't know if I really need this. So in case if I need it, probably I'll buy it later. So I'm gonna skip this for now. Okay, another sales pitch. Get lifetime access to our text-to-speech software that lets you create amazing professional voiceovers for your Doodly videos, video sales. Yeah, so I don't know. For a small additional one-time fee, zero monthly or annual fees, or just 97, you can get lifetime access to Takia that subscribers only pay year for. So I don't know if I really need this. Everything is the sales pitch, so probably I'm going to skip this for now. Wait up to 10 seconds for the video to load. Make sure your sound is turned on. The most powerful way to turn your Doodly videos into actual dollars and cents. Just copy and paste your videos into this new software and turn your video viewers into actual paying customers. Right. Try Doodly to create easy hand sketch videos, and I want to show you how to turn your Doodle videos into dollars and cents. Little just copy and paste your Doodle videos into your new software that I'll show you in the video above to turn your video viewers into actual paying customers. The fact that you already own Doodle shows you that you have invested in the most powerful tool available to you. As you know, without engagement you have nothing, and now that you own Doodly, you've got, you can have the impact on the world. Whiteboards, Doodle videos are going to help you with everything. TikTok videos, YouTube videos, creating courses, teaching classes, selling your products, engaging in ads, and much more. People creating all these type of videos have come through our doors. So many people, it's literally shocking what a few doodles can do, what I can do, what's next. There's a large percentage of Doodly users who have cracked the code. They figured out how exactly to run the Doodly videos into money, and now I want to show you. In fact, I've broken this simple steps down into just 3 simple secrets: how to turn your into actual courses that people will pay for, how to use your Doodle videos to quickly sell your new course, how to use your Doodly videos to drive people into your website or funnel for free. And this is a very, very big page, how to turn your Doodly videos into a course that people will pay you for. So that's a huge page. That's really a huge page. Okay. Probably I will convert this huge page into a PDF, and I will give a link in the description. So basically the whole thing is another sales pitch. So they are showing you different things to do. For example, let's say let me show you some examples. So let's say for this secret 3, how to use Doodly videos to drive people to your websites or funnel. Yeah, so basically they are suggesting you something. The start my free 14-day click funnel trial now, and so similarly, right, if you want to create a course, then there is another funnel. So all this funnel are explanations. So all this funnel is this click funnel, 14-day trial, software, membership funnel, this funnel, totally elite master class, all this 637 yours today for free. It's not free. All of this is yours today for free when you sign up for a 14-day ClickFunnels trial. So it's just a trial. It's free for 14 days. And click on create your account button now. So, and you will get instant access to ClickFunnels. So again, sales pitch. So yeah, so start my free 14-day is in bold, big, and no thanks. I don't want customers take me to my downloads. Right, I was searching for this, and then I found this. So let's go up and see if they have something. Yeah, no thanks. I don't want customers take me to my downloads. Yeah, let's go to my downloads. So, yeah, so it takes me to the members area, and then it welcomes you, and then again advertisement. Ads everywhere. So did you accidentally miss any of the upgrades? No. Okay, so Doodly enterprise level, Talkia, automatic script. Yeah, so much. So download Doodly. So Windows 64-bit, 32-bit. So let's do that. Okay, so it's downloading, and then you have Doodly tutorials, interface tour, background types, timeline basics, creating your first video, video settings, asset settings. Okay, so let me know if you guys are interested in any of this. I can create a video for that. So this is the Doodly application. Once you log in, it's asking you end user license agreement. Alright, so this is how the application looks like. So I actually created a test project, so I'm going to open that. So if you want to create a new video, you can actually create it. So this is a test project. So what I actually did is to basically, narrate a story. So if you look at it, this is the story which I created. Two twins, Bill and Jack, go into the same bar every day. The bartender doesn't like Bill and wants to kill him. The only way you can tell the difference between the twin is, I created only till here. Yeah. So let's see how I created. So, the first thing is, if you go to, this is the scene. If you go to the scene, the first disadvantage is there is no search. So you have to, scroll through and find out, which is a good item for a bar. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything related to a bar. So that's a shame. So this is the only thing which was closest to the bar. It looks like a McDonald's shop, but now I changed it. I deleted some of these items, and then I had some glasses here. The rest all looks different, and if you look at it, these are the items you have. So let's see these. Yeah, so these are the items, and nothing is close to a bar, yeah, or a pub. So but the major disadvantage is you don't have a search. That's it. That's all you have. So if you have thousands, you can't keep searching for 1,000 items. There's definitely need to be a search which is not there. And obviously the color is not there because I didn't purchase, the enterprise version. So I'm just trying it out. So that's the first thing. Second thing, if you go to characters, so you have very, very less characters here. Again, if you're searching for a character, so most of the things, right, once you scroll down, most of the things are locked because it's not a premium or enterprise version. So if you say walk, yeah, so you can see kids walking, a lot of items which are related to walk, yeah. So what I actually wanted, now if you go back to the story here, two twins, Bill and Jack, go into the same bar every day. So I thought, let's make them seated. So what I searched was sit, and then see some of these are locked. You can't use. So this is without the chair. So I was thinking, so this one here. So you can use anything. And then, so basically I chose this one. Yeah. Kevin sitting, and then once you added him, you can even change the orientation, yeah, left, right. So I thought, no, these two guys are together. So the first part of the story is two twins, Bill and Jack, going to the same bar every day. The bartender doesn't like Bill, yeah. So the second thing is I need to bring in a bartender. So I added a bartender here. Doesn't like Bill and wants to kill him. The only way you can tell the difference between the twin is, so that's where it is. So yeah, I added him here. So if you preview now, so let's see how it is. There is no audio in this because there's no audio here. There's no text to speech. So this is how it is. Let me play it again from the start. So two twins, Bill and Jack, go into the same bar every day. The bartender doesn't like, yeah, there comes the bartender doesn't like Bill, wants to kill him. So that's how it is. What I did is I also made a similar thing in Doodlemaker. So this is what I made in Doodlemaker, and let's see how it is.
Two twins, Bill and Jack, go into the same bar every day. The bartender doesn't like Bill and wants to kill him. The only way he can tell the difference between the twins is.
So if you look at it, the first thing is in Doodly, you're missing a lot of a lot of characters and a lot of icons and things like that. Whereas in Doodlemaker, looks like it's more appealing. So you can actually listen to the story. You can actually, I think you can even change the background color so that it's like more more appealing and some different shades, things like that. So it's more colorful. Um, so a lot of edit can be done, and things like, for example, if you go back in the library, the important thing is you have this pixabay thing. So even if you sometimes if you don't have icons, for example, in Doodly, you don't have anything like that. So you can add text, you can add music, but you can't search anything like pixabay, or you have to probably manually add a character or a scene. You can't manually add a scene, but if you go to characters, you can manually add something here, and even props, you can manually add something here. It's basically you need to download it from Pixabay and then add it to this entry, which is a little pain. Whereas in Doodlemaker, you have a lot of Pixabay items. If you're searching for twins, you have twins. You can basically drag and drop or use your imagination. So the artificial intelligence now really doesn't work in Doodlemaker. It's not that great, so you have to spend time in creating all these icons and creating a video like this. So that's the difference between Doodlemaker and Doodly. I also created another one, same concept in another tool called Simple Show Video Maker. Listen to this.
Two twins, Bill and Jack, go into the same bar every day. The bartender doesn't like Bill and wants to kill him. The only way he can tell the difference between the twins is.
So look at that. That's even more appealing. And in Simple Show, it's very easy to edit. You don't have to build character by character. Um, so so basically, in Simple Show, you give the text and then it gives you the picture. And then, for example, if you want to add anything like Bill or Jack, or let's say two, it comes up with a picture, and then you can select the picture and then you can even change the picture here. So it's easy to edit, but again, it's not worth the price, because I think Simple Show is way more costly than Doodlemaker or Doodly. So if you want to compare between Doodlemaker and uh, Doodly, I would say Doodlemaker is better, um, given you can actually create more appealing stories than Doodly, because Doodly, it doesn't have a lot of icons, and looks like you have to do a lot of manual work here. So that's the quick difference between Doodlemaker and Doodly. I will be posting more videos on this. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for the videos. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.